Oh, hello. Yes, it's I almost forgot. It's time for today's coffee review. Apologies, I was just, reading a really big book and just throwing up and down my autographed baseball of myself back. I don't know. I did play on the 1996 championship Rivist Little League team. We were the blue team, and we were really good. Anyway, as you all know, Little League champions make great coffee tasters. And today, I've pulled out all the stops. Today, we are tasting one of the finest brews you can find at a Costco wholesale. It is, boom, the SF Bay biodegradable, compostable French roast. And everybody knows anything Francais is very good. I mean, they invented butter, I think. Maybe they didn't invent it, but they perfected the use of it in every single pastry dish possible. So today it's a French roast. I like a good French roast in the morning. French roast is kind of it's a little more on the, it's not a full dark roast. It's kind of a medium roast, but I'd say it's on the darker end of medium roasts. I actually don't really know because I kind of just am inventing things to sound smart, but it's really good. So this is a Keurig press, and everybody knows Keurigs are one of the laziest ways to make coffee, and really not a good way to make coffee. It's incredibly convenient because you just like put it in and press the button, and got a cup of coffee. But to have a really good cup of coffee, you should definitely do something like a French press or maybe a pour over drip, something along those lines. But today, it's a Keurig roast, and it's a French press. And like I said, this is definitely a compostable one, and so if it's compostable, that means they care about the environment, so it must be delicious, right? So here we go. Let's have a sip. Well, first I'll have a sniff. You know what? That smells exactly like coffee. So it's a real mild coffee, easy to drink. It's got kind of it has a little bit of some chocolate hazelnut tones to it. I'm picking up a little burnt cedar. And as it rolls across the palate, the yesterday's it actually bit right on when it hit the tongue, but this one actually bites as it rolls over the tongue. So it has more of a gentle roll to it. I'd say I prefer yesterday's to today, but because it has more of a lingering bitterness to this one. It's kind of typical with French roasts, and very typical of a Keurig when it's brewed with Rio Vista water, tap water, because the quality of water when brewing coffee is very important. Everybody knows that. So anyway, I will give this right here, SF Bay. I will give this probably, let's say, 2.5 stars for quality, and I'll give it a 3 for presentation because it's compostable, which means it's environmentally friendly. I mean, sure, they may have put it on trucks and shipped it all across the United States after it was sailed across the ocean on a ship and roasted in a factory somewhere. But, it's environmentally friendly because it's actually contained in a compostable pod. So anyway, cheers. I hope you have a lovely day, and don't get the coronavirus.